We guide you through how to screen record on iPhone this 2026. Start by checking if the screen recording feature is in your control center by swiping down from the top right corner on Face ID models or up from the bottom on Touch ID models. Then tap the plus icon next to screen recording in settings. Control center if it's not already there. Next, open the app or screen you want to capture. Swipe to access the control center and tap the cellular record button. Wait for the 3 seconds countdown and your screen is now being recorded. To capture sound, long press the record button and toggle microphone on. While recording, you'll see a red bar or red indicator at the top of your screen when you finish. Open the control center again and tap the record button to stop. The video automatically saves to your Photos app, and from there you can trim, edit, or share it directly. And that's it.